Hello everyone. Today I'm drawing an avocado using only drawing markers. No sketch, just straight to color. Stick around to see the final result. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Drawing the seed. I start with the seed, using black and shades of brown to build depth. Blending darker and lighter tones helps make it look round and glossy. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Drawing and coloring the avocado. Next, I draw the outer shape while coloring with different greens. Darker ones for the edges and skin. Lighter greens for the flesh. Keeping strokes smooth for a natural look. Adding light reflections. A touch of yellow adds light reflections, making the avocado look fresh and juicy. Soft blending keeps the colors smooth. Shading under the seed and edges adds depth. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. A soft grey shadow below grounds it, making it more realistic. And that's it. Let me know what I should draw next. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more art videos. Thanks for watching.